Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to combine two types of cleans. We are going to do an inside circle to a front clean. The point of taking these movements and adding them together is we create combination lifts. The more complicated the total lift is, usually the better the overall athletic development. Normally, when you make combination lifts, people stick to the 6 basic moves of kettlebelling: the swing, the clean, the snatch, the press, the Turkish get up, and the squat. Because all of those moves are curvilinear in the front plane, they are both heaving, moving up and down, and pitching, hinging at the waist, I like to throw in yawing. Yawing is rotating vertically around the spine. So on this channel, you will notice we are very heavy into inside circles, outside circles, alternating circles, inside pendulums, and outside pendulums, because they cause you to yaw and create rotational hip snap. Rotational hip snap being extremely important in all athletic endeavors, we like to focus on it. I like to create combination lifts that involve both the yaw with the rotational hip snap and then the front hip snap. That way, we're kind of getting the best of both worlds. For our normal clean, go watch all the normal clean videos. Everything is exactly the same for the normal clean. The elbow stays close to the body. We're going to point our feet straight ahead. We're going to point our thumb back at the bottom. As we come up, we're going to rotate our thumb to the sky, and we are going to catch with a flat wrist. If you try to do this with a barbell wrist, you will notice it's very annoying. You can do it, you just have to put up with the pain. If you would like to not have the pain, then learn to catch with our flat kettlebell wrist with these two top knuckles pointed straight up. For that kettlebell clean, take the L of your hand and meet it to the L of the kettlebell, the corner of the grip. If your wrist is getting banged up, that's probably one of the things you're not doing. You're not starting with the correct position. L to the L, hike it back, snap your hips all the way up. Now, we are immediately going to go into our inside circle, which is push, swing, pull, catch. Sit to your back leg, drive from your rear leg to start the movement, push with the arm, swing, pull, and catch. We're going to rotate back to center and go into our front clean. Point your thumb back, catch. Sit to the same side leg, inside circle, catch. Opposite side leg, drive up, push the thumb back, stand up. When you set it down as with normal technique. Point the thumb back and let it ride out in front so you can sit back in your heels. Set it down exactly the same way you pick it up. These movements are for everybody, but martial artists will recognize them as being super valuable very quickly. Learning to pop your hip and then learning to rotate. All things that all athletes need. They need to rotate better, they need to rotate equally, and they need to be able to do their front hip hinge. You will get better at your front hip hinge doing things like barbell and Olympic lifting, but those are flat lines. It's very hard to take a barbell and turn it into an inside circle because your legs are in the way. You can do rotated deadlifts and other types of things, but this is just a more effective way to combine our rotation with our front plane of movement, our heaving and pitching with our yawing. Adding in that third plane of movement makes us better athletes. This has been Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica.